HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art. Hey kids, choo-choo! Let's draw a train. Start with the tracks. And now our train. Add headlights and the window too. Let's complete the rest of our train. It's super easy. Just follow along. Add all the windows and more details to make the perfect train. Now comes the best part. We have to paint. First, brown. And now let's use some sky blue. Pink on the front and side too. This is going to be the coolest train. Some yellow to make it super fun and bright. Let's use sky blue for all the windows too. Don't forget to paint all the windows. A peach color will look great. Let's quickly fill in. And lastly, a touch of blue. Our amazing train is done. Hope you had fun.